In this video, we're going to explore the special cases of factoring and the formulas you need to recognize. These shortcuts will save you a lot of time once you spot the pattern. The first special case is the difference of perfect squares. The formula is a squared minus b squared equals a plus b, a minus b. Let's try some examples. Example 1, x squared minus 36. The square root of x squared is x. The square root of 36 is 6. So it factors to x plus 6, x minus 6. Example 2, 16y squared minus 81. The square root of 16y squared is 4y. The square root of 81 is 9. So the factorization is 4y plus 9, 4y minus 9. Example 3, 100t squared minus 25u squared. The square root of 100t squared is 10t. The square root of 25u squared is 5u. So it becomes 10t plus 5u, 10t minus 5u. That's how the difference of squares works. Next are perfect square trinomials. There are two forms, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals a plus b squared. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals a minus b squared. Let's check a few examples. Example 1, x squared plus 12x plus 36. The square root of x squared is x. The square root of 36 is 6. 2 times x times 6 equals 12x, which matches the middle term. So this factors as x plus 6 squared. Example 2, y squared minus 10y plus 25. Square root of y squared is y. Square root of 25 is 5. 2 times y times 5 equals 10y, and the sign matches. So this is y minus 5 squared. Example 3, 9a squared minus 24a plus 16. The square root of 9a squared is 3a. The square root of 16 is 4. 2 times 3a times 4 equals 24a. And the sign matches negative. So this factors as 3a minus 4 squared. And that's how you spot perfect square trinomials. Now for the sum and difference of cubes. The formulas are a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. A cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Let's go step by step. Example 1, x cubed plus 27. Cube root of x cubed is x. Cube root of 27 is 3. So we write x plus 3, x squared minus 3x plus 9. Example 2, y cubed minus 64. Cube root of y cubed is y. Cube root of 64 is 4, so it becomes y minus 4, y squared plus 4y plus 16. Example 3, 8a cubed plus 125b cubed. Cube root of 8a cubed is 2a. Cube root of 125b cubed is 5b. So the factorization is 2a plus 5b, 4a squared minus 10ab plus 25b squared. And that's how the cube formulas work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more lessons.